How are we all, dudes? Welcome to another phase, phase 9. Yeah, who would have thought we'd get this far this quick? We're just punching these phases out like... Next one, like we're getting fucking Centrelink payments for it. Anyway, right, welcome to another phase. And picking up from, I guess, last phase, where we rode mini bikes in Wagga, and it was quite a mission, but good times.
To say the least.
Good times though. We packed up our shit and we headed up to Corryong.
We shot up there for 3 days, went up and stayed with Hill Dogs, always a good time with him.
Pretty full on, the little bit of a drive from Wagga to Corryong.
Definitely.
Normally, like, done it before and it's normally normal. And this time after the fires and stuff, it was pretty eye-opening.
Far from normal.
Pretty full on. And it sort of made you realise what the fuck actually sort of went down over there. And yeah,
seeing it for the first time, like driving through it, hearing from these boys and that saying, you know, it's full on, and then seeing these places and how nice they are when they aren't burnt, and then going in there and seeing it for the first time, it was fucking crazy. It was really crazy to see. Yeah, full on. But we are pretty much, spent 3 days in Corryong. This phase itself is technically day 1 and day 3. Day 2 will be the next phase. Make sure you check that out because it's dope as fuck. Proper epic. We got a real good day on the middle day. The first day and third day, the whole time the weather was a little bit gnarly. Yeah, like the whole weekend the weather was proper gnarly. The second day we got a grouse day. We got to go out, go for a decent ride, shoot some real cool shit. So make sure you check that out. I'll even give you a little bit of a fucking teaser. Have a little bit of a teaser here. Fucking, yeah, so good shit, right? Anyway, suss that next phase out. In saying that, if you're watching this on YouTube now, technically that phase should be out on Patreon. So if you want to be a good cunt, jump on Patreon and suss that out. You can watch that episode, that phase, right now. Fuck yeah. As if you wouldn't.
Exactly. We'll work a little bit backwards with this phase, right? So technically we'll start her off at the last day, day 3. We went out to a spot we filmed 1.5 years ago.
Yeah, a bit over a year.
Yeah, I think pretty much just over a year ago. We went up there and did another little mission with Hilly, so check that video out because it's fucking cool. In the Hills with Hill Dog, I think it's called.
But just it definitely gives you a good perspective of what's going on.
And what it was like then to what it's like at the moment. So it's definitely good to watch that if you're watching all these ones. Anyway, so what we did is we went to the top of this hill that we got a few drone shots from the last time we were there, and we were like, fuck, let's compare the difference. And it's quite eye-opening. It really is. I mean, the shots aren't, I didn't dial in the same shots, but at the end of the day, you can tell
it's all the
valleys and the hills. There's certain trees that you like, that's that tree there and that's that tree burnt. Pretty full on. I've chopped it up into a little, tiny little edit for you. So I'm going to drop that on you about now. So yeah, pretty full on, pretty straightforward. You can see how vast these fires really were, I guess. Like, so we'll take you back to the first day. Yeah, we pretty much.
Weather wasn't that cracking on the first
The
day.
weather was
It was
shit.
shit. It did not stop raining. It didn't let up one bit. It was just wet drizzle the whole wet drizzle.
Wet drizzle.
It wasn't dry drizzle, but anyway, it was drizzling the whole fucking time.
But it was definitely wet too.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So yeah, the day we rocked up, we pretty much, you know, rolled in about probably midday or something like that. And literally, yeah, the rest of the day was just absolutely gross. But it didn't stop us from going for a fang.
And even just fang, we ripped.
Yeah, we did. We
Did
had
some jumps.
We had a good rip. Everyone had a good rip actually. It was pretty dope. Bloody wet day timetable. But then it all did go real bad. It was real good and fun and everyone was having fun. And then fucking Big Schmidt over here, and I'm spewing, right, because like this is how it went down. My camera, from my point of view, died fucking 40 seconds before this incident.
Always the way.
So you can't actually see Schmidt cut me the fuck off. Where if it was my angle...
And I did cut him off for sure, but I didn't fucking mean it. Right,
Fully
and I
right.
didn't know he was behind, and we ran two different paths going into this corner, and I shut the gate hard, and he was in the air, pretty much still above me, and pretty much landed on me, and
It's pretty good.
yeah.
It was pretty gnarly. No, we're like fanging, and we were clearly fanging, top gear and having a go. And Buddy Schmidt was pulling up on me, and he's pulling, and I wasn't fucking letting off. And we're coming up to, I guess, the corner, and there was a little jump.
Just a rise before
And
you go around this corner.
like, I thought we'd sort of hit the jump in our own paths, and Schmidt thought, nah, fuck that, I'm going to cut you off before the jump. I'm going to hit the jump where it needs to go. I was sort of like, shit, had to hit the side jump, and it fucking boosted the shit out of me. So, like, I'm fucking above this cunt, and he's already landed and started to brake and turn on me. So I had absolutely nowhere to go.
I was taking race lines.
Yeah.
Not knowing this cunt was still above me, floating through the air. Like, if I'd have known that, I didn't want him landing on me. I would have ridden off. But
So anyway,
I
in
got
my
ice
head,
the back of my
I'm
head.
like, fuck, I'm going to absolutely take this cunt out. I need to sort of get the fuck out of the way. And pretty much as soon as I landed, I fucking tucked the front wheel and just
And your habitat.
ate dirt like a motherfucker. So enjoy this little clip.
Fuck man, that was a big digger.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you
bro.
fucking cut me off, cunt.
Yeah, I thought we were getting on the brakes.
It was fucking
pusher. Hold on to me. For sure.
I broke me bloody
Gear shifter.
gear shifter. We had the spare one from fixing it the day before.
Put the old one back on and got him back going, but
And we
it was
ripped.
definitely dirty on the day.
I didn't have the best. I was you know how you just like as a riders will know you just have those days. That was not my day. I mean, it was a fucking yuck ugly day anyway.
Yeah, it was putrid.
But it was still sick. Like, we're going to cut to a little bit of just the raw shit of us, like having a fang with the boys. Good times, great classic fangs. But, yeah, the vibes were there. Like I said, I wasn't feeling the day. I fucking munched myself and I was just over it for the whole fucking day. But the vibes were there and it was definitely happening. Pretty much, I guess, then we're going to... so, pretty much, here it is. Have a go. Enjoy.
Rain to start smoothing that stuff out. This stuff will be alright to jump just here though.
Man, this shit just keeps getting better and better.
Yeah, dog. No dig, no ride. This shit's fucked.
Fucking wet grits. Nothing worse.
Not bad. Oh, chug it! Bloody parts spike, Benny. Look at that look at that chrome exhaust.
Oh, that's a shorty too. Look at that.
Yeah.
Boy, this is a good little popper when you get it right in the sweet spot.
Fuck yeah.
On the lander.
Especially if you start getting, like, if you know that speed, you got these good ones and you go high.
Yep.
Nice.
Nice dog, yeah, he said that like Seth right on.
Yeah, man, you'll be right on that, Benny. Dead set. He jumped there. It's fucking sweet, yeah? Was it way less, not as intimidating as you thought it was going to?
do it.
Yeah.
Just went fuck it, do it.
Just don't hit it too fast. Seriously.
It's not really an option.
Well, yeah, but
third.
into it. Bloody all going on, ladies and gents. Send it, cunts. Yeah, dog, toboggans! Yeah!
Well, that's pretty much it. Other than the second day, which you need to check out in the next phase,
I'm not going to say nothing about it now.
we cruised on home and that will be the next phase. So that's pretty much it. Massive fucking shout out to all the boys just for sending it, having a good time and just being good fucking sports. But massive shout out to Hill Dog for putting us up for 3 days, 4 nights, however long the fuck it was. And just for being a fucking good cunt.
Getting some showers and that.
Make sure you all check out his YouTube because that's what it's all about. Vibing with those YouTubers. Get onto it. He does a shit ton of YouTube stuff, hunting videos, and does a shitload of traveling. So if you're into hunting, suss his shit out because it's fucking dope as fuck.
Hill Dogs TV.
Other than that, that's about it from us. We're done. We're dusted. Make sure you bloody like this shit and chuck a comment and bloody subscribe and
Get on the bell.
he knows. Anyway, peace out, motherfuckers. Thanks for watching. See yous next time. Yo.